Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. This set will be almost exactly like my last set, the lavender set. So if you haven't watched that, finish watching this one and then go back to that one and watch it. But it's similar in design and structure to that set. So for this one right now, I'm just squaring the tips, taking that little pointy part off the ends of it, and then I'm buffing the nails so that the base coat that I'm about to put, the model ones, it'll stick better to it after it's buffed. With this base coat, I'm adding a thin layer of base coat, and then I'm using the Saviland builder gel or hard gel, whatever you want to call it. I warmed it up in the candle warmer so that I can spread it a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start forming the nail basically. If this is your first time watching, thank you again for clicking my video. But I don't try to make this part, the the drill, perfect, because I get the shape right with 80 grit file. So I hand file, but I just like to get the hard, heavy hitting drilling out of the way. And then I go ahead with the hand filing. So yeah, if you look at my nails, I started with a nice little full set looking press-ons and stuff. It's the next day, and I was trying to take them off so that I would be able to take the thumbnail pictures for these nails. And it was a struggle because I used entirely too much glue, because I put them on while we were in the car driving about an hour away to go see family on Christmas. Yeah, just problems. After I wipe them off, I use a thin layer of base coat, because if I don't, the polish will fall off. And this is what had happened. I forgot to record me polishing the nails. So I basically did 2 coats of polish, and for the French tip nails, I used alcohol before curing both times to make the angle. I haven't perfected French tip yet, so I mean, I wish I would have showed it so that I could use it for myself next time. But yeah, there's no specific way I did it. I just corrected myself with alcohol. I don't have the like T thing down pat, the A thing, whatever they use. I don't have that down pat. But yeah, two coats, curing each for 30 seconds in between. I'm using the white polish here to make like a candy cane peppermint / snowflake. I don't know what I was thinking here, but I think it's more like a peppermint design. Rhinestones, Amazon. Polish, Amazon. Nail tips, I actually don't know where those came from. In the beginning, I lifted my hands because I really don't know where. I would have to look. It might be Amazon, or it could have been one of the local nail supply stores. It has no name, so I don't know. I try to keep the name in it so that I'll remember, but I digress. My favorite part, I like drilling, I really love drilling, but my favorite is adding this top coat. And once I see this, and once I do this, when I make nails, it's just a high that I get it. I love it so much. I am addicted. It's like watching a slime video. I love to add the top coat to the nails and just look at them shine. Like the matte coat is cute and all, but that shiny top, oh my god, the glossy, love it. But this is a finished product. I hope you love these, and I hope you stick around and watch all the next videos I have coming up. Thank you for watching again, and enjoy the rest of your day.